This is the outer elevator here at the Renaissance Tower. It's 2. Let's ring the bell. Nice. Notice the carpet on this floor. And notice the walls are metallic. Metal walls, I think. Capacity on this is 2,500, and the other one is also 3,500, but it's a bit different. And this is the auxiliary hydraulic elevator that leads you down to the parking level on the main offices. And I think that's just about down here. There goes the other one. It's got your push button phone. I don't think the signal button does an over in this COP. Well, look, up. See? There's your interlock up there. And that's it.